Zombie apocalypse.
This is AGA Forex. Good afternoon, everyone. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. You can see I'm trying to show you what exactly happened yesterday when I crushed jump 100 index with our magic bomb strategy and magic bot. So initially, based on the confirmations I got from here, let me show you. This is the first confirmation. This is the first confirmation here. That's where my entry is. First confirmations. This is where my entry is here. And the second confirmation, this is at the oversold level. And also the MACD has also jumped above this 100 level, above this 0 level, sorry. Above this 0 level. This is it. This 0 level. This is it. So you see, this is exactly what we mean here. See, this is our entry here. We just ride the trend. The market retraced back and it just went up sharp, and I got almost $1,000 with this entry. Almost $1,000. That was the reason I closed. Just one swing. If you want to ride the trend, you can just capture one swing with this strategy. One swing. And you see this one, I even zoom it out again. It's not the normal zoom level I'm using. See, this is it. This is the zoom level. This is the last zoom level that you can use to trade it. But me, sometimes I use from this last zoom level, first zoom level, second, I use all of them. So anyone that is suitable for your own setup and suitable for the trade, just use it and capture your one swing and exit the market. Simple. So let me show you. This is the entry here. Just look at the entry, 10386 to 101157. This is the entry. Yesterday I just entered two trades, just two trades, but I was able to make over $821 or over $800 with our magic bomb strategy and magic bot. So please, for those that want to join our mentorship, our official lecture will start today, Friday, which will be introduction to forex trading and also an introduction with respect to introduction to boom and crash. So for those that want to join the mentorship, please can contact my support manager. You can contact her for your own registration. The fee is just a token. You just pay a token and you'll surely understand how to trade the market, how to analyze the market, how to be a successful forex trader, even though you are not always winning. If you join our mentorship, it's not only when you win that you make money in trading. No, there are thousands and millions of ways to make money just for you trading. So for those informations, you can contact us and join our mentorship group. That's when you'll be an independent trader. Please, I'm apologizing for all my VIP members. These days, I didn't used to post signals most of the time because I was sick, and also our mentorship is around the corner, and we give so much attention to the mentorship, and that was the reason we are unable to make such payments and the rest. So please bear with us for the meantime, though I'll be able to make sure I send at least 1 or 2 or 3 signals daily. But for those that want to be independent traders that are free from signals, can contact us and join our mentorship, or you can buy our bot or buy our strategy, which you can be able to fix up on your phone or laptop, which will be using it. So it's very versatile. You can use it any way to achieve what you want. You can see this is it. This is just the entry I just took yesterday. In just look at it, in just how many minutes? Let me show, because I was telling people in my group, in less than 10 minutes I was able to get what I want. Let me count it here. This is the minute I enter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. In 21 minutes, I closed my profit because I made more than my daily target. I made almost 20% of my account yesterday, which is $800 plus. So we are not just doing magic here. We are just being realistic on what we do and how we do it. And also in this video, I'm going to run a giveaway. There is one of our bot called Magic Tick Bot, the bot that you can be used to be picking candles in your trading. So you can be able to use Magic Tick Bot for your trading successfully. So as I said, and based on I like to keep to my words, I promise to give a hot giveaway after pushing this jump index. I jump with jump index from one jumping point to another jumping point, and that's where I land this 770 with jump index in just 21 minutes with Adnan Global Access Forex Magic Bot. So because of that, I would like to give somebody a free bot. I like giving my premium content out. So I'm giving out $150 premium content out as giveaway in this video. But the giveaway have conditions, just 3 conditions. Number 1, the first person to like, comment on this video. After you like, comment on this video, you'll also share this video to at least 2 social media handles and get at least 10 likes on each post. It's very simple. You must share those content to at least 2 social media handles and get liked by at least 10 likes. Then $150 is for you. This is Adnan Global Access Forex. So simple. Let me repeat the giveaway. You are just going to like this video, comment on this video, share this video to at least 2 social media handles and get at least $150 giveaway content from Adnan Global Access Forex, AGA. So that's cool. For those that want the strategy, the board, even our mentorship is on point now. Those that have joined the mentorship have started seeing results. I have started sharing some results from some students in the mentorship group, and you can see the posts I used to repost. Those are their first, and I will just forward their post to me. When you understand the market, when you get the market, you'll definitely excel in this business. This is Adnan Global Access. Bye, and see you in my next video.